how to create Microsoft Teams account. So if you want to create Microsoft Teams account, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you just need to simply go with your browser and search for Microsoft Teams. After searching, go with www.microsoft.com. Then it will take you to the Teams. And from here, you need to go with sign in, which is on the top right. It will take you to this kind of interface. Or if you don't have an account and if you want to create, then you can go with create an account, which is right here. So if you have a Microsoft account, you'll be able to sign in to your Teams with your Microsoft account. But if you don't have your Microsoft account, then you need to create one. So you need to create your Microsoft account. So enter your email address at the first, go with next, and after that you need to enter the code that you've received to the email address. So enter the code, and after that you need to create some passwords, and after creating your password, your Microsoft account will be created, right? Once you create your Microsoft account, then you can just simply go back and you need to go with sign in, which is on top right of your Microsoft Teams, and now select your Microsoft account that you've just created. So enter your Microsoft account, go with next, and enter the sign in code that you will receive on your email address. And after that, once you enter the code, you can click on yes if you want to stay signed in. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.